All right, here's a 1963 Ford Thunderbird Landau Edition, and we're going to go on a virtual test drive together. And I already drove this car, and I'm telling you, we're in for a real treat. I apologize. The birds are out today. Got a couple droppings on the fender, which I will take off, wipe off right away. But there is a scratch right here, and in my presentation video in our studio, I did not even see that, so I want to point that out now. This car is a sweetheart. Just the way it fits and functions, it's just solid. It's just nice. It all fits real nice. Genuine leather. Power seats on both sides. This one's not working. The passenger side is. The seats are comfortable. Has the swing away wheel. Isn't that cool? And once you take it out of park, it locks in. But this car is a sweetheart. Do you hear it running? I don't know. It's smooth as can be. Carburetor and fuel tank was just replaced. Gas gauge works. It's still cold, not even warmed up yet. That radio, this is converted. It's all modern guts. Blower is strong. I heard the compressor kick in. That's a good sign. We'll leave that run a minute. Wipers work. So this is a loaded car. Power leather seats. Seat belts were actually an option, which I'm putting on now. Got the stereo upgrade, power windows, air conditioning. It's the Landau Edition, which has the padded roof and the wood grain trim. Now I'm going to say that air is working. It feels cold to me. Oh yeah, that's cold air. What a dream of a car. I drive a lot of vintage vehicles, and I don't imagine how one could get better than this one. Turn signal works. Just a sweetheart. You just point it the direction you want to go. There's no squeaks, no rattles, no wind leaks, no vibrations. Oh, what a dream. Just smooth. You don't feel it shift, you don't feel it running. It's gonna stop. Real nice and smooth. The interior lights do work. Obviously the door's shut now, but the light, and then there's lights down in the door panels, and they do work. Okay, the right turn signal works, but I have to hold it. It doesn't want to stay locked in. That's a plastic piece that wears out. So we've got a power seat that doesn't work and a right turn signal that doesn't want to hold. That's fixable stuff. But you can throw a ton of money at an old car and not always get it to run and feel like this one does. .390 motor at 300 horsepower. What a dream. No hands. No, this is not a Tesla. It does not drive by itself. We'll kick it in the pants here a little bit and see what it does. This road is horrible, and the car still feels good. It's amazing that 1963 technology can ride this nice. This is just the test drive portion of our presentation. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get the full presentation, photos, description, and the price. You'll find a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. No coughing, it did not fall on its face, it accelerated nicely. Not a muscle car, but it's a luxury car with enough power to move you. It's got the Cruise-O-Matic transmission, it's got radial tires that look practically new. Speedometer works, it's nice and smooth. Temperature gauge is just starting to come up. It's a 70-degree day, so it's running cool. 47,298 miles. Smooth. And you can spell that with about 8 or 9 O's in the middle. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com if you're interested in this or any other collector car for sale.